Shut the fucking window, Shay. What if I shut the window?
When?
Yeah, the place has been open long enough. Not putting up with that shit.
Oh, hang on, put a pollen in here. So I drink.
You're making fun of me, shit. You would never make fun of me, would you? Man.
Never.
You would never make fun of me, would you?
Never.
No.
Pollen.
Let's eat the plus anger is all. I just don't say. Can everything be quiet when you look at settings?